What's up guys, Jake P5 here. So today we're going to be installing the engine in the S4. So we got the transmission on there for the shifter linkage. I took out the actual linkage right here, and sorry it's a huge mess, but took out the linkage so it just has the box, and then I zip tied the linkages together so they don't back out of this boot, because that boot's really annoying to put in. But everything's ready engine wise. The subframe isn't perfectly ready, so the video I watched by Justin Balu, or Justin B, I keep forgetting his last name, so he did a fantastic engine install video. So I took off the heater pipes and reinstalled them up here, because we're just going to slip these on, and then I have to bring these up, since this is just the bottom of the subframe is just being held up. We're going to bring these up, bolt them up here on both sides, and then we're actually going to take the engine mounts out and have the subframe hang loose, and then we'll be able to put the engine in and move it around and stuff like that, like we need to. So link will be down in the description on a good how-to, and that's about it. So let's get going. There we go. The engine is pretty much done. So I got everything connected. I put all the covers on. I put oil in it. I haven't put coolant in it yet, and I have put also power steering, since we got to do that. But it looks freaking great. I think these came out really well. They look super cool and really subtle. So it's pretty much ready to start. I still have a few things to put on. So I just have to put on the drive shaft and the exhaust, which I'm going to do before I start it. But we also got the new big brake kit on. And so I got everything bled. Nice. Clutch feels great. Brakes feel great. It's really coming together. So yeah, I'm going to be starting it up in the next video, and then the video after that, I'm just going to do a kind of hack job wiring. There's only three connectors you have to wire, and it's really not that bad. So I'm going to do a whole entire video just on those 3 connectors so you know exactly what you need to do. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. That would be amazing. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.